Today we're going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day collab with so many channels, I'm going to be unveiling a new bag to me, and it's from a designer that I haven't bought a bag from in, I don't even know how long, but forever. So if you're excited to learn about the bag I picked up, plus who I'm working with on this collab, please stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrances, handbags, skincare, your favorite cup of coffee, or whatever you like to treat yourself with, because you deserve it. You really do. So I am really pumped to be part of this special collab. And if you see I'm in a bright color, I'm not normally in a color. Usually I'm in a nice lovely shade of black. That's where I'm comfy. But today, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, I am wearing green. And this collab is the St. Patrick's Day collab. I believe it was Tara's Boutique is originally who put together the whole idea. Dee Beans who coordinated and got me involved in it. And then I've met a whole bunch of other channels in it. I'm so excited to be a part of this because I'm not coming across some of these channels just in my everyday, scooping through YouTube looking for content. I can't believe in the years I've been on YouTube that I haven't come across many of these ladies. So thanks to Tara, thanks to Dee Bean, thank you to all the other gals on this collab. I'm going to list up everybody and put up their channel information as I read them off, so that way you can go subscribe to their channel, watch their video and all their other videos too, not just this video, but all their videos, and see what we're all about, see what we love. So like I mentioned, it was Tara's Boutique, so she has the most massive Dooney and Burke collection. It's fantastic. So Tara from Tara's Boutique, Dee Bean, like I mentioned, someone I've known for quite some time now. Clara, who I had never heard of. Clara from Public Shopping Addict, PSA Public Shopping Addict. Now, I've not come across you once. How does that happen? What's going on with the algorithm? Sue's What? I've only come across Sue's in other like chats and live chats. Not once has her channel been ever suggested to me. That's a travesty. So Sue's What? Rael from Rael's Closet. I have come across you. I met you actually through chats. So that's the funny thing is, so I did come across your channel after chatting with you and other live chats. I think it was Winnie B's. It might have been Caleb's, but I can't remember now. But, one of our mutual friends. Sinise from Indubitably Sinise. I had a collab with her for Valentine's Day. She was my the person I sent items to. So I just recently met her, which was awesome to have that opportunity. And of course, me, Nancy Carnes. So this was like the opportunity. I'm gonna put my phone down, or my spare phone. I should say. I'm filming on my actual phone. This collab gave me an opportunity to kind of go back into the Wayback machine, so to speak, and look for items that I had missed out on and wanted to add to my collection. And because Tara has such a huge Dooney and Burke collection, it reminded me I used to love Dooney. Dooney was, along with Coach, of course, like the rabbit hole of what we all launched down in our shopping. The designer bags I used to mostly buy back in the early 2000s. And I guess I just kind of stopped once I started going into, LV and other type of higher end brands, but I don't necessarily spend that much more money on those brands. I buy a lot of pre-loved, so I'm still at a similar price point per se. It's just I'm buying, instead of buying Coach and Dooney new, I'm buying, you know, the pre-loved Fendi's and pre-loved Louis Vuitton. So in this instance, I decided, well, let me look at what they have out there at Dooney. And a lot of the styles are timeless. They're staying the same. So there's one bag that, God, I can't even remember what the first year I saw it. I had a coworker who had one, and I just admired it from a distance. I was just like, that is a fabulous bag. That is fantastic. And around that time, I had started down the Michael Kors rabbit hole, and I had all of those Hamilton bags and, you know, every color under the rainbow. And I was obsessed with his leathers. I thought it was fabulous. So I was kind of moving towards that type of brand and aesthetic at the time, and moving away from Dooney. So while I loved it, I just was like, oh no, I'm more about this right now. So I was obsessed with Birkins too. So it's side note, but I've always just had this little fondness for this bag, and it just looks so luscious and beautiful. So when this came to be, I was looking at how much they cost new and what offerings there were, and just for the heck of it, because I'd bought a couple of pre-loved items recently through the Real. I have a Ralph Lauren item coming that's several years old, almost 10. And then a couple of, I got a Fendi spy bag recently, and some other items from around that same time period that I was just like, you know, let me look at what they have on eBay and see if there's anything that I can get at a deal, because I like a deal. I'm all about finding a discount, and I found something. So it arrived, and I've literally just opened the eBay box and grabbed it. So I remember this dust bag from back in the day. So that was fabulous. And you're gonna get my first impressions. I'm doing it here with you. I've literally just taken it out of the box. So we're gonna see what and how. It smells good though. So it smells like luscious leather. So no foul orders or anything at this point. We are gonna go in here, and if I can grab it without, I want to try to grab it so it looks nice. Woohoo! Okay. All right. Okay. This is a little tangled up, but this is the Florentine satchel. I'll insert the entire name if there's a different, I think it's just Florentine satchel, the large, and the dark hunter green color. I'm sorry, I'm kind of just distracted by the beauty of it. It's beautiful. The little tassels on the side. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. Yeah, it smells delicious. I shouldn't say delicious. Like I want to eat it up. Luscious. It smells like luscious leather. It's squishy. It's, oh wow. The whip stitching. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's got a little bit of wear and tear. I mean, it's not new, but a little bit of wear and tear here on the O-rings, but overall, it's got little feet. It is lovely, and I only paid $69 for it on eBay. I was floored, because I know when I was trying to buy this bag, this was, I kind of want to say that was like 2011, maybe 2010, when I know it was before I changed my jobs, which was in 2013. It was like $300, I believe, at that time. And I looked at them recently, and they're still selling them in a few colors, in the 4s range. So they definitely are not cheap. They're very well made, and seeing that price, I was just like, buy now. Didn't even think twice. Didn't even care. But I love hunter green. This, like, I live in Oregon, so it just reminds me of being here. And while I don't wear a lot of color, I do like to have some bags in color. So I do have like a burgundy Fendi up there. I've got some Coach ones up here that have some color up here. I like to have my pop of color in my accessories. So this just gave me the perfect excuse to pick up something, you know, that's not your basic black or brown or a neutral. So something that was just going to be a little bit of, you know, out there. And I just love that. I don't know why, but this little bit right here, this little flap, I don't know why that really has always just made me happy. It's like a smile, a little smile that the bag has. And it's just really cute. I know some folks kind of find it fussy, but I just think it's a really beautiful bag. So when you go inside, it's very bright and pretty. So bright green with red lining. It's very clean, I gotta tell you. Still has its card. Oh my God. I don't think this thing was carried. Good God. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's like, it still has like little, yeah, I want to say this thing was never carried. The little hang tag for the keys is pristine. There's not a stain, not a stain in there. It's beautiful. Oh my God, I got a deal. I mean, it needs a little bit of TLC on the hardware, but other than that, it's just to die for. So, oh my goodness, I'm just ecstatic. The stitching it's just gorgeous. I'm gonna insert a few like pictures of it, of all the detail. It's just gorgeous. A beautiful leather, very high quality, and a steel. So I gotta tell you, dooney, it's like that hidden gem that, you know, the right line. Even the canvas is not, you know, anything to stick your nose up at or anything. It's just the leathers are beyond quality. So if you can get yourself one of the Florentine line, especially the Florentine line, at a low price, I mean, it's worth its weight in gold in my opinion. So love it. So again, thanks to Tara for setting up this lovely green collab. We can all enjoy our new bag purchases. I can't wait to check out all the gals' videos. We're all going live at the same time here to share our videos. So I can't wait to watch everybody's reveals and what they picked up for this St. Patrick's Day green collab. So please check everybody out, subscribe. I'll have all the information down below. If you want to check everybody out, that'd be great. We really appreciate you. Comment down below if you like dooney, if you have this bag in your collection. How do you like it? I'm thrilled. I'm excited to have it in my collection. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.